Hi, I'm Miyu. Welcome to Fine Dine Academy, where we help you get the most out of your dashboard. Let's build a floor plan that matches your real dining room so your team always knows exactly which table is which. Start in Settings, open Operations, and make sure you're on the Tables tab. You'll see the areas and tables you've already created. Here we have a garden and a main dining hall. Now switch to the Floor Plan Settings tab. Every area gets its own floor plan, and these are the same tables from your list view, so you can drag them into the positions your tables actually sit in. On the left, you'll find the elements you can add. There are round tables and square tables. Just click one and it drops onto the plan. Then use the panel on the right to set that table up. Give it a name, choose its area, adjust the shape if you need to, and set a minimum and maximum seating capacity. Everything you enter shows up right on the table, so your staff can read the name and the capacity at a glance. You can also add the fixtures around your tables. Click Door and drag it to wherever your entrance is. Do the same with a counter, a booth, or a bar until the layout matches your space. And if you expand, click Add a New Area, give it a name, and press Create. You get a brand new empty floor plan for that area. Now, lay it out the same way. Click to drop in a door, add a couple of round tables, a rectangle table, a booth, and a bar. Then drag each one into place until the plan looks like the room. Every element you added to your first area is available here too, so you can keep building until every part of your venue is mapped out exactly the way your team will recognize it. That's it for this one. For more quick tips, check out the other videos on our Fine Dine Academy channel. See you there!